Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Whitney Hollins, and I am here with some of our wonderful students from the BA program to give you some helpful tips and tricks as you enter and start this journey with us in the Youth Studies program. First, I'm going to pass it over to Cisse.
Hello, my name is Cisse, and I'm currently a senior here at the Youth Studies program in CUNY SPS. My expected graduation date will be spring of 2025. And some of the tips and tricks that I had for you guys was one, to stay on top of deadlines, use a planner or calendar to track your work. The fact that this is online, a lot of times we lose the track of due dates. So using this method really helped me. Two, join discussions, speak up and share your thoughts. You'll learn a lot. Three, make connections, talk to classmates and professors. Also ask about group chats and take it upon yourself to create one for the class. That always helps for all the times I've been in this program. Four, use what you learn. These try applying class ideas to real life work. Um, Five, take care of yourself. Don't forget to rest and ask for help. Ask for help when you need it. A lot of the professors are really understanding. I'm going to pass it to, who am I passing it to? Natalie.
Hi, everybody. My name is Natalie Green. I'm a senior here in our program, and my expected graduation is spring 2025. Some tips and tricks that helped me, and I think helped a lot of us as a group to be successful is to stay organized, especially if you're juggling full-time work and school. Take your time to truly enjoy the work that is given to you, as well as what you complete. So, definitely breathe it in. It's a lot, but you got this, and it's going to be worthwhile. Implement what you have learned. Even if you don't work directly with youth, feel free to apply any learned experiences to any young person in your life, or to teach another adult some of the best practices you learned over these courses that you're going to take. And be transparent, ask for help. Your professor, your classmates, everybody wants you to succeed. It is definitely a team effort, so lean on them for support. You got this. I'll pass it on to Janeba.
Hi, my name is Jennifer. This is my last year in CUNY SPS. One thing I learned is start finding article in the first week of class and the topic that interests you, and take advantage of the CUNY SPS writing fellows because they can give you some ideas, feedback, and help you to help you with your struggles. And also it is easy to ask professor for help sometime even though you don't want it. And also the first day of class, make sure to ask your professor about what needs to be included in the assignment, because when you don't and you submit the assignment and it's not the right one, you might get like low grade, and it's a tricky part. So make sure you ask the question, or the question are about citation and what needs to be included in your assignment. And I'm gonna pass it on to Michaela.
Hi, I'm Michaela. Um, I am a senior in CUNY SPS, and my expected graduation date is spring 2025. Um, some of the tips that I feel would be really important to implement would be, don't be afraid to ask questions. Reaching out to your professors and your classmates is really crucial, I think, in order to succeed. From day one, I've been fortunate enough to have really good professors who are willing to communicate and provide feedback, and same with classmates as well. Group chats are a lifesaver. Um, Use every resource you can. I'm talking about, even on Brightspace, professors will have resources for you to go, utilize the library, utilize the writing center. There are so many resources that you have as a student that are amazing and will definitely make your experience a lot easier as you navigate. Um, Practice self-care. Um, School is hard, especially if you're working and balancing a lot of other things. I found that just taking some time for myself and doing the things that bring me joy make going to school a lot easier, and it makes it definitely a more worthwhile experience. I'm able to kind of reflect and take the time to do the things that I need to do. Um, Time management is everything. Like one of my classmates have said, when you're on online school, sometimes deadlines and due dates can just go over your head. Making sure you set reminders, put things in your calendars, even in your planners, it will save you so much time and energy, and it will keep you up to date with everything that you need to do. And finally, don't give up. School is not easy. Um, Sometimes I've found myself being burnt out from working full time and juggling other things, but it's so rewarding and it's so worthwhile. And sometimes you just have to remind yourself that the things that you're doing are eventually going to pay off. So I'm very happy and good luck.
Thank you all for sharing. As you can see, we have wonderful students in our program. We're sure you will be a wonderful student too. Lean on us, lean on your professors, lean on your classmates. Take in all the resources that CUNY SPS has to offer you and make sure that you are taking care of yourself. I hope to see you in one of my classes.